Good evening. Today I am going to show one new operating. It's an Budgie, Manjaro Budgie. So it's an new type of thing. So it's an default desktop solution operating system written from scratch in the Geonome GTK toolkit. So it's a modern desktop designed to keep out the way of the user, and it's feature heavy integration with the GNOME stack in order for an enhanced experience. 64-bit installation of Manjaro running birds uses about 632 MB of memory. So now we'll just start the video, and I'll just show the installation and download and the process what we have to do. Just open Google Chrome, and you have to type there as Manjaro, manjaro budgie. So here you can see Manjaro. Here a free and open source Linux operating system designed with strong focus on safeguarding user privacy, offering extensive control. So just click on it. HTTPS is there, hypertext transfer protocol secure. And here you can see Manjaro empowering device and users, and here you can see the details. This user-friendly OS is excellent choice, it seems. So choose architecture, and here you can see x86-64, and I just click on it, and here you can see the different type of things in that. I just download it, and now we have to download Rufus. Rufus is to bootable pen drive. So open another tab and just type there as Rufus, RUFUS, and scroll it down, and here you can see Rufus 4.3 exe is there. So I just click on it, and my Rufus, I open the Rufus, and disk ISO image select. So select the ISO image, ISO which we have just now downloaded. See here you can see Manjaro Budgie is there, ISO image. So after completion of booting in Rufus, just restart your system, and here booting has been started. I just restart my system, and my booting has been started now. And here you can see welcome to Manjaro, and Wi-Fi available. Okay, and here you can see documentation, support, project, and here welcome Manjaro. Thank you for joining our community, and here the details are there. We the Manjaro developers hope that you will enjoy using Manjaro, and some details are there, and Manjaro Budgie started, and here you can see the features and all. Just scroll it down and check for the features and all, and here you can see accessories, graphics, internet, office, programming, sound, and everything are present in this. And here sound and video. Make Firefox your go-to browser, save and continue. Okay, and here you can see accessories and system tools, and see here desktop settings is there. I'm just showing one by one. If you people download it, just check for all the features, details, apps and all. See here, you can see apps, details, settings and all. So hope this video is good. If you found it somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.